Hey guys, Antoine here, and today we are installing a swarm that I caught at my friend's house. It shouldn't be any difference if you're installing a nuke that you got. It's just 5 frames nuke instead of 2 frame. I just put 2 frame in there when I caught the swarm, so I only have 2 frames. So right now I'm just preparing my old hive, taking out about 5 frames and then installing the 2 frames from my box. If you have a 5 frames nuke, then you just put in your 5 frames right now. One important thing is after you install the 5 frame, you want no space in between the frames at all. The reason is because they will build some nasty blur comb in between the frames, and then you'll have to go back and clean it up. So I just shook all the bees from the box into my hive. Now I'm ready to put all the empty frames back into the hive and close up the hive. Remember to leave no space in between the frames. These are built out frames, and some of them have a little honey on them, like that one in the middle. You also notice that I'm using 2 deep right now. You should be using 1, but this is an old hive that died out over winter, and the deep on the bottom actually have a lot of honey in it, so I just use that, and this hive will have a big head start this summer. I'm also not using a smoker because these bees are gentle and I don't need it. So my feeder is on. I'm checking my bee space between the frames, closing up the hive, and we are pretty much done. Just check back in a few days, fill up the feeders. I'm also checking this hive maybe once or 2 times a week, just because there is so full in there already, and once it's 70% full, then I'll be adding a queen excluder and a honey super. See you guys.